In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a board text in Revit 2025. We're going to keep this quick, clean, and practical so you can add clear, readable notes to your drawings with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you're in the correct view where you want the text to appear. This could be a floor plan, elevation, section, drafting view, or a sheet. The text you place will live in that active view, so it helps to have the right one open and zoomed to the area you want to annotate. Look to the top of your Revit window for the ribbon, which is the main toolbar. Find and click the Annotate tab. This is the home for your annotation tools, things like dimensions, tags, and of course, text. Within the Annotate tab, locate the Text panel. Go ahead and click the Text tool. When you do, your cursor will change, and Revit will be ready for you to place text in the view. Now, move your cursor over the drawing area and click exactly where you want the text to start. Choose a spot with enough clear space so the note is easy to read and doesn't overlap other annotations. After you click, a text box becomes active, and you can begin typing immediately. Enter the wording you want to appear, keeping it concise and consistent with your project's standards. If you need to pause while typing, that's fine. Revit keeps the text box active until you finish. When you're done typing, press the SC key once to complete the current text note. You'll see the text remains in place, and it's no longer in editing mode. Press S key a second time to exit the text command entirely. That two-step ESC sequence is a simple way to finalize your note and return to your normal cursor. If you realize the text landed in the wrong place or you made a typo, you can select it afterward to adjust or use undo to back up a step. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Zoom in before placing text so your click lands precisely where you intend. Keep your notes aligned with nearby elements for a clean presentation. And remember that clarity is key. Short, direct phrasing is easier to read on printed drawings and on screen. That's all there is to it. Open the Annotate tab on the ribbon. Choose Text in the Text panel. Click in the view to place it. Type your note, and press S key twice to wrap up. Thanks for watching, and keep your annotations clear and purposeful for the best results.